Hello students, let us continue the session on playing with the numbers. We will start with exercise 1 3.3. First question is, using divisibility tests, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 2, by 3, by 4, by 5, by 6, by 7, by 8, by 9, by 10 and by 11. Say yes or no. In that, the first one is 128. They have given all the answers. Similar way, we have to do it for the remaining numbers. 990, it's an even number, so 990 is divisible by 2. Is 990 divisible by 3? To check that, we need to add the digits. Here 9 plus 9 is 18, plus 0 is 18, so 18 is divisible by 3. Hence, the given number 990 is also divisible by 3. 990, is it divisible by 4? To check that, I have to take out the last two digits. 90. If 90 is divisible by 4, then the given number is divisible by 4. 90 is not divisible by 4, therefore 990 is also not divisible by 4. We have learned that if a number ends with 0, then it is divisible by 5. So 990 is divisible by 5. Is 990 divisible by 6? Look at the first two columns here. Let me highlight it. It is 990 is divisible by 2 as well as by 3. So it is divisible by both 2 and 3, their product also. So 990 is divisible by 6. Is 990 divisible by 8? The number formed by the last three digits 990, if it is divisible by 8, then the given number is divisible by 8. In this case, it is not divisible. 990, the sum of the digits 9 plus 0 is 18, and 18 is divisible by 9. Therefore, the given number 990 is divisible by 9. Since it is ending with 0, it is divisible by 10. Is 990 divisible by 11? We have to add the digits at odd places and the even places and find their difference. Here, the odd places is 9 plus 0. We get the sum as 9. Even places is also 9. Their difference is 0. So whenever the difference is 0 or the multiple of 11, the given number is divisible by 11. Therefore, it is divisible by 11. Like this, we have to do it for all these numbers. Suppose if I consider 1586, it is even, it is divisible by 2. 1 plus 5 plus 8 plus 6, if you do, the sum is, this is 6 plus 8, 14 plus 6, 20. 20 divisible by 3, no. 20 is not divisible by 3. Here only I can say that it is not divisible by 9 also. Then 1586, is it divisible by 4? The last two digits we have to see. 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4, 2 will be remaining. So it is not divisible by 4. Since the number is not ending with 0 or 5, it is not divisible by 5. Since the given number is not divisible by both 2 and 3, it is not divisible by 6. Since the given number is last 3 digits is 586 and 586, it is not divisible by 8, and this number is not divisible by 9. This number is also not divisible by 10, and even places and odd places, if I consider 1586, sum of these two and sum of these two digits we have to add. 1 plus 8, 5 plus 6 we have to do. 9 and 11, the difference is 2. When the difference is not a multiple of 11, it is not divisible by 11 also. So here the answer is yes for 2, no for 3, no for 4, no for 5, no for 6, no for 8, no for 9, no for 10, and no for 11. It is divisible only by 2. Like this, you need to check the divisibility for all these numbers. You can take this as a homework and solve it. Let us have a look at question number 2 using divisibility test. Determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 4 and by 8. 572, is it divisible by 4 and 8? If you look at 572, the last two digits 72 is divisible by 4. Therefore 572 is divisible by 4. 572 is not divisible by 8. You have to remember the rule. Last two digits, if you consider, if the number is divisible by 4, then given number is divisible by 4. If you take the last 3 digits, if the number is divisible by 8, then the given number is divisible by 8. So let me take the second one. 726352. If I consider only the last two digits 52, 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12, is divisible by 4. Let me consider the last 3 digits 352. If you divide by 8, 8 fours are 32, 3 will remain. Once again 8 fours are 32 is divisible by 8. Since the given numbers last two digits is divisible by 4, the given number is divisible by 4. Since the last 3 digits is divisible by 8, the given number is divisible by 8. What is the use of knowing this? The use of knowing this is we need not actually calculate division. We need not actually take up division for whole number, complete number. We can take it for only the last 2 digits if it is divisible by 4, and last 3 digits if it is divisible by 8. Now you must have got idea. I want you to solve the remaining questions. Look at question number 3. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers is divisible by 6. Let me give a brief idea. If given number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then the given number is divisible by 6. Let me give idea how to solve one of the question here. If I consider little larger number, say 1790184, this is a very large number. If you want to check whether this number is divisible by 6, first let me check for 2 and 3. This number is having 4 in the units place or ones place, so it's even, so it is divisible by 2. Is this number divisible by 3? To do that, I have to add the digits. What will be the sum of the digits here? 1 plus 7 is 8, 8 plus 9 is 17, plus 1 is 19, 19 plus 8 is 27, 27 plus 4 is 31. Am I correct? 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 9, 17, plus 1, 18, 18 plus 8 is 26, plus 4 is 30. Earlier I was wrong. 30 is the sum. This sum is divisible by 3. So the given number is divisible by both 2 and 3. When the given number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then we can say that 1790184 is divisible by 6. You have to carry out the same method for rest of the numbers. Then only we'll come to know whether the given number is divisible by 6. So for example, if I consider these two, C and D, these two numbers are not having even number at the end. For that instance, H also, C, D, H. Question C, question D, question H. These are not having even number in the units place. So this is not divisible by 2. When the given number is not divisible by 2, then the number is not divisible by 6. Now I want you to solve the remaining part of the question, and with this I'll end the session, and the remaining question we shall solve in the next session. Thank you.